This video will show you how to prep single mode and multi-mode fiber optic cable for the Multicom Fusion Splicer. We will show you step by step how to strip, clean, and cleave the fiber. To begin, you will need 2 fiber optic cables, 3-hole stripper, shears, alcohol cleaning dispenser, wipes, splice sleeves, a ruler, and a fiber optic cleaver. To prepare the first fiber, measure 130 mm, then use the largest hole on the 3-hole stripper to remove the jacket. Then use the shears to remove the yarn. For fusion splicing, thread on a 60 mm heat shrink splice sleeve. If you are preparing the fiber for arc correction only, the splice sleeve is not needed. Then, using the middle hole on the stripper, measure 20 mm of the inner jacket and strip it off. Finally, use the smallest hole on the stripper to remove the cladding, exposing the bare fiber. This step is critical to remove all of the very thin cladding layer without damaging or nicking the fiber, so that there is no damage to the fiber, and results in a high quality cleave in the next step. To clean the fiber, use fiber optic cleaning wipes, and apply 2 pumps of 99% isopropyl alcohol to the wipe. Wipe the fiber once. Do not wipe a second time, as it may become contaminated. To cleave the fiber, open the large and small fiber cable clamps and make sure the slide mechanism is in the forward position. Align the cladding edge of the fiber to the appropriate scale on the gauge and place the fiber into the guide groove. Critical: when placing fiber in cleaver, make sure the fiber is not at an angle. Close the small and large clamps and quickly thrust the slide mechanism backwards to cleave the optical fiber. Congratulations, you now have a perfectly cleaved and prepared fiber.